Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmermarketing.com. And in today's video, what I'd love to share with you is exactly how you can create an RSS feed from anyone's YouTube channel. So I was actually doing this for myself, so now I want to show you how you can do it so you don't have to struggle to figure it all out like I had to. So what I want to go ahead and do is I'll share with you the code. And if you look below, inside the description of this video, I will give you this exact URL. This URL is going to be the RSS feed of my YouTube channel. However, if you take away the equals, like C equals and then this code, if you put your channel, you will then be able to have the RSS feed of your actual YouTube channel. So this is a two-part video. So what you'll want to do is, again, in the description below, grab the URL, all right? So you're going to take it to the equals, all right? Now, the very next step is, let's say, for instance, that you want to use IFTTT like I did. This is why I wanted to seek this out, was because I want to be able to take RSS feeds. When I post on YouTube, I wanted to go out to Twitter. I wanted to go to Facebook. I want it to be easy, all right? So what you'll want to do is you'll want to head out to your YouTube channel. Now, if you don't know how to get your channel ID, or if perhaps you're trying to get someone else's channel ID, so that way you can merge their RSS feed with yours, let me share with you how to do that and then create this RSS feed. All right, so let's just say, for instance, that you are this particular artist here. All right, so what you'll want to do is go to the main channel. As you can see, there's no actual code here. So if you're utilizing Chrome like I am, you'll right click, hit view page source, and what you'll want to do is hit Control F, so that's Control Find, and then what you're looking for is the channel ID. All right, now this code right here, all right, see where it says channel ID? See this code here? This is the actual channel ID that you're going to need to add to this URL that's in the description below after the equals. So you'll go to your channel. This right here is the RSS feed for that particular channel. Again, really quick, what I'll do is I'll go through it one last time. All right. So down below in the description, what you will find is a URL. All right. So the URL that you will find is this exact URL right here. What you'll want to do is actually copy it, this URL here. All right, put it onto a notepad, Control C, and you'll want to go ahead and just make a copy. So it's equals. Now, the next step that you'll want to do is you will want to go out to your YouTube channel. Again, let's say that this is your YouTube channel. Actually, here, let's do another one. All right, a very well-known channel. So let's just go in here and see if we can get his channel ID. So we'll go to view page source, hit Control F, Control Find. It might be different on Mac or a different type of computer, but what we're looking for is channel ID. All right. So it's channel. Here, let's do a line wrap. All right. Right click, view page source, line wrap, Control F, that's Control Find. And we're looking for channel ID. All right, so the channel ID is right here. As you can see, we'll copy that, we'll bring it over to our notepad, and we're going to put it at the end of where the equals is. Once we have this right here, this is the actual RSS feed that is already generated by YouTube that we can utilize for IFTTT, or we could share it across multiple other platforms. With that out of the way, I shared with you twice. Down in the description below, you'll get the URL, so this way you can have an easier time than I did. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, and happy RSS feed making. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.